Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 5 and I'm gonna show you how to charge this device. If you want to charge this smart band, you will need to have a charging cable that was provided with your band. It looks like this. You have the USB end on it and the Garmin end looks like this with 4 pins. Also you will need maybe charging brick rather, or a PC that you can plug in the USB end of the charging cable to. So I have a charger right here. And now let me show you how to do it. So basically you take one of the ends, for example the Garmin end of the cable, you rotate your band and you plug the cable right here to this plug. It has 4 pins. We have 4 pins on the cable. You simply align it like this and you should hear the click when you push it in. This means that the plug is the cable is plugged in rather. Now we need to take the second end of the cable and plug it into a charger, for example like this, and now we can plug in the charger into a power source. So give me a second, this cable is too short so you won't see it, so I'm gonna use this USB extension cable right here I have. So I'm gonna plug the charging cable into one end of the USB extension and the second end is gonna be plugged in into a charger. So here we have it. So I'm gonna plug it into charger and now I'm gonna plug in the charger into a power outlet, the power source. And once you plug it in, you should see that the smart band is charging, as you can see. And once you're done charging, you can simply unplug the charger from the band and also from the charger itself. Okay, and that's how you charge this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.